Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Volvo XC40 Inscription. This car comes with the 1.5 Petrol Turbo Engine and the plug-in hybrid system, which produces 208 brake horsepower and while still returning up to a really impressive 134 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 28 and it's a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 32,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volvo. As you can see, the black paintwork looks in really good condition for your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, and the Inscription comes with lots of features, which includes the leather seats, and the driver's seat is also electric. And there's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and finally on the driver's door card you have your buttons there for the memory function for the driver's seat, as well as folding your folding wing mirror controls and your full window switches. The XC40 is a great car for the family, so nice raised driving position and a nice wide door opening here at the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents and a charging port there in the centre. It's good to see the car's still got the original floor mats from Volvo too. Opening the tailgate, which is electric, reveals a really good sized boot there, which goes back a long way, with the rear seats that can be split. The parcel shelf is still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage as well as your cables there for charging. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.